how to fix your TikTok videos are not showing to others. So if you've posted a video on TikTok and it's stuck on 0 or a low amount of views, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. So first thing you want to do is come over to your TikTok profile and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side. Now press settings and privacy and then select privacy. Now first of all, make sure you don't have the private account turned on, as this will prevent your videos from being shown to others. You can then come back over to the previous window, scroll down this page and click on free up space. Now next to cache, click on clear and then press clear cache. You can then head back over to your TikTok profile and go and select the video that you're having issues with. Now click on the 3 horizontal dots next to your video and then scroll across and click on privacy settings. Now make sure who can see this post is set to everyone. And once you've done that, you can head back over to your TikTok profile. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So when you go and create a post on TikTok, you want to make sure you don't overuse the hashtags. So typically you want to avoid using hashtags like FYP. And what you want to do instead is use hashtags that are specific to your video. So if I have a traveling video, my hashtags could be something like Bali, traveling, or adventure.